Welcome everyone. We have been talking about decluttering, and breath is a very powerful instrument to declutter ourselves. But there is a special technique that is actually known as a warrior's breath. We have done this warrior's breath a while ago, a few years ago maybe. But the modification of the warrior's breath we're going to use as a decluttering technique. Now, imagine that we have to divide the three levels: the upper dantian, the upper head, and the top chakra, eyes, and the throat. And then the heart, mostly heart area, which is very important, and then the lower three chakras. So you have three levels. In Chinese philosophy, we have upper dantian, middle dantian, and lower dantian. Similar, but 3, 1, and 3. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to inhale and exhale. And when we declutter, I'll lead you through a practice. So inhale and exhale. Let's go to the head. I'm going to have some thoughts that I want to clear. I want to have some emotions. I may pick one or two, whatever it is. I may have some situations going on. My concentration, my focus, my attention span. That's all the situations that's going on ahead. So massage the head a little bit. Gather everything. Is almost like you're gathering, like when you apply soap and gather, the dirt comes into the bubbles, and so you're taking all that. Come down to the eyes and the 5 senses. What you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you taste, all the dislikes that we've been talking about. All the negatives that we want to remove out of that, what we start seeing, what we start hearing, what we start smelling, tasting, and touching. Speaking even. Speaking is important, but the words come out. I want to clean them up. This is a cleaning process. So go to the eye, the insight. My insight may not be clean, may not be complete. I don't see beyond the surface sometimes. I'm fooled easily. Go to the throat, speech center. Making sure that the speech we speak, we want to remove certain words from our vocabulary. Now we have everything in our hands, as if we have collected the dirt. So inhale and go. Stretch yourself in the back and go he. Inhale, he. Loud he. He. A warrior gets ready from various aspects. He has to be ready. He cannot have clutter on his body. He has to have very clean all the equipment that he's going to do. So let's do it one more time. Clean. I'm going to stay quiet. You work with yourself. Head, all 5 senses. Continue inhalation and exhalation. And when you have it ready, high up in the air. Up in the air. Up and forward. Inhale and exhale. Start feeling lighter in the head, in the areas that we have cleaned up. From this point on, that's exactly what it is. We are applying some screens to ourselves as well. So next time the clutter will not come into these areas, the brain, the speech, the eyes, the ear, the nose, everything. Now comes the next one is the heart. So this is an important one. And we're going to start cleaning up here. This is the emotional area. So start from here, bottom of the collarbones. Inhale and exhale and start cleaning up. The heart is the center of our control for the brain. The heart controls the brain. How you feel, who you are, the identity, the purpose, all that, and the lungs. Heart and lung, total support for them. And then gather all that negatives that we collected. And now we're going to go forward, straight forward. Who? First was he, this is who. Who? And you throw it like you really mean that. Who? You continue doing that and then who? Now, next one we'll go to the lower dantian. 3 chakras here. Clean all that up. Get your alimentary tract, your kidneys, your intestinal area, the pelvic organs, everything. Continue inhalation and exhalation. And then go down. Ha! Ha! One more time. Ha! And the last time. Ha! So, just to recapitulate, we'll do all the 3 levels one time. Upper level, warrior's breath. He. Clean up here. You may include the arms here. Who? And maybe even lower extremity. Get it from the lower extremity up. That way we'll have the whole body. And all 3 levels down here. 3rd level. Ha! Inhale and exhale. Just analyze your experience, how you feel. As a warrior, you're getting ready. You remove all the clutter from every area, all chakras, all dantians.